Hi everyone. In previous video we have installed MongoDB Community Edition and this video we will install GUI graphical user interface for how we can see records in MongoDB. So for such purpose we are using Robo3t. So this is a website for that blog.robomongo.org studio 3t free. So here I am highlighting Robo3t windows.exe. If you click on this it will download. Okay, I have already downloaded. You can see here, uh, this is the one I have downloaded. If you double click on this, yeah, if anything ask in system level, you can click simply yes. Okay, next click on and simply you can agree and next and install. It will extract all the binaries and it will automatically install Robo3t in your machine. Okay, just finish the setup. Yeah, after finish the setup, yeah, if you are connecting first time, it will ask some username. I mean, not username. It will ask details of you. Don't give your details. Simply fill with NA something like that. And after that, yeah, new connection. I have already created the connection. If you want to see, yeah, manage, here you can see create option. Automatically it will take your local host and port. Simply you can test. Yeah, connection was already established. Close. If you want to create any kind of database, right click and to create database. If you want to create any kind of specific database, for example, just now I have created this database. If you want to create another database, simply create Kumar. Okay, for example, sorry, yeah, Kumar database, it's created. If you want to see the collections in the Kumar database, there is no collections here. So ID, the record ID only created. So this is the way we can see MongoDB records from UI level. So this is the GUI, graphical user interface. So going forward, we will create collections and we will create documents in the MongoDB. I'll explain what are the documents and what are the collections, how to retrieve the records and how to apply AICD transactions. AICD transactions means regular database transactions, insert, update, delete, so drop, such kind of things will do. Yeah, thank you everyone. So stay tuned for more content.